Hey guys, what's going on? Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the keyboard. Oh, before that, let's actually just say F's for K95 chat. You know, she was decent, she was good, she was helpful, but a bit too thick. You know, don't want to say it, but yeah. So this is the Apex 7 Steelseries keyboard with red switches. You know, long story short, it's actually pretty decent. Now, this says, yeah, red switches. The one I had before was brown switches. So, and then these are the keys from the past keyboard. And then here's an OLED screen on the top right. This one's actually has a pretty small profile. This one is magnetic. It's pretty soft as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and see if we can test this bad boy out with some sound, because you know that's the purpose of maybe getting a keyboard, whether it's like smooth strokes or the sounds it makes. You know, you're wearing a headset, so it doesn't really matter, I guess. So you're like tapping there, unless you have one of your earpieces out, then you can hear all the taps that you make on the keyboard. So yeah, that's all I have to say really about this keyboard. One thing to note, yeah, it did have a USB port here, so that's a big bonus if your mouse cord is like short. And then this one is kind of short compared to the K95, but it still reached, so you know what, hey, that counts, right? Also, one more thing to note is that the lighting software is not as advanced as the IQ from Corsair. So, you know, if you like a lot of lights, then that might bug you. But I like this like vape color, even though I don't, you know, smoke vape. I smoke Magic. Again, these are not part of the keyboard, but that's all I have to say. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day and good one.